Hello everyone. Want to create a discount code for your Wix store? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to set up a price discount coupon in Wix. So let's get started. First, log into your Wix account, and once you are in, head over to your dashboard. And now on the left panel, click coupons under the marketing and SEO section. This is where you can create and manage all your discount codes. Right. And after that, enter the coupon code your customers will use at checkout. Next, give your coupon a name and this will appear in the cart in your dashboard. And now set the discount amount. For example, if you want to give $5 off, enter 5 here. And next, choose what the discount applies to. Like you can select for all products, a specific product, or a product category. And if you want to set a minimum order subtotal, enter an amount here, and that this ensures customers only get the discount if they spend a certain amount. You can also decide if the discount applies to only the lower priced item or every eligible item in order. And now choose when the coupon is valid. Enter a start date or and an end date, or check don't set and a checkbox if you want to run indefinitely. You can also limit how many times the coupon can be used overall or restrict it to one per customer. And after everything is done, click create coupon to save. Your discount code is now active and ready for customers to use. That's pretty simple, and I'll leave this link in the comment description below if you want to go over all the steps again. And that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.